Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit cocktail Gulaman. This delightful dessert is a perfect blend of sweet fruits and creamy jelly, offering a refreshing treat for any time of day. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily create this crowd-pleasing dish. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this simple, yet delicious recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delicious dessert. You will need 1 large can of fruit cocktail, typically around 815 grams, drained with the syrup reserved. Also, prepare 1 sachet of unflavored Gulaman powder, about 25 grams, 1 can of all-purpose cream, approximately 370 milliliters, and 1 can of condensed milk, around 300 milliliters. Finally, have 2.5 cups of water ready, along with the reserved fruit cocktail syrup. Now, let's move on to the simple preparation. First, drain your fruit cocktail, setting aside the syrup, and then arrange the fruits evenly in your chosen molds. In a pot, dissolve the Gulaman powder completely in 2.5 cups of water combined with the reserved fruit cocktail syrup. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it reaches a gentle boil. Then, carefully stir in the all-purpose cream and condensed milk until everything is smoothly blended and heated through. For the final steps, carefully pour the warm Gulaman mixture over the fruit in your prepared molds. Let it cool down completely at room temperature to begin setting. Once cooled, transfer your molds to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until the Gulaman is firm and fully set. When ready, simply unmold or scoop out your refreshing fruit cocktail Gulaman and serve this delightful, creamy dessert. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.